to my life and my YouTube channel as an older sister with a little brother who is 3 years old. 3 years and 2 months old. So count this as his 3 years and 2 month old birthday present. Am I going crazy? Heck yeah. Is he gonna have fun on this? Probably not. We'll see. So this is what I'm trying to make. This is what I have so far. How do you tighten screws? Like, I know, like, you're supposed to tighten screws with, like, a screwdriver, okay? It's not even that sharp. But, like, I'm trying to tighten this one screw right here. It's, like, loose, okay? It doesn't move, though, if I, like, pull it really hard. But here's the thing. It's not, like, I have to, like, do this to, like, make it go inside. And there's no way to, like, use a screw to do that. And that's all it goes inside. Is that all I do for this? Like, I know screws are supposed to be tightened, but, like, it's not gonna break. It's not gonna break, let's hope. So now we gotta move on to step 4 or 5, I think. Or maybe we're on step 6, actually. So now we gotta go to step 7, but, like, I need a hammer. Even if we do have a hammer, it's probably not going to be in my reach, because, firstly, that's probably heavy. Secondly, my parents wouldn't keep it in my reach. Well, I'm not the risk, but Kian is. My little brother, who I'm doing this all for. And if I can reach it, Kian can probably reach it too somehow, because he has a smart mind. It says I need a hammer right here. Like, it doesn't say it physically, but, like, it shows a hammer. Why are we using hammers? Toys. I bought this from Walmart for $100. Okay, I gotta get the wheels now. Ow, okay. This is low-key not even that heavy. I just said ow for no reason. Okay, so I get this. And then what? How do I attach this? Okay, okay. So now what do I screw into this? Which one do I 2, 3, 5? There's like item codes, I guess, on these, and then over here, whatever screw they're using, they have like codes on it. But this is so confusing, bro. Okay. Here's now that looks like that. This? How the frick am I supposed to know what the frick this is? Okay, so this just has one of it, so it's this. How do I manage in one? I have 2 wheels at the back. This paper is so bent. Okay. Now what the frick do I do? Okay, yes, this is this piece. So now I go on this page and look closely. What the frick is this, like, little, like, thing? Is it this? Oh. Nice. Took me long enough. I hit my foot with this. What the frick is this now? Oh, it's the, like, little handle part that goes right there? Okay. Okay. So, this goes into one of the wheels. Does it matter which wheel it is? Okay. And then it comes... Oh my gosh. And I just... Okay, that was easy. I just have to figure out what to do. this way, I'm guessing, and then now the screw thingy. Oh, this is why you need a hammer, because you need to push it inside. What the? Bruh. What the? This is... You gotta figure this. How am I supposed to do this without a hammer now? Because I don't know if we even have a hammer in this house. We probably do. Well, we don't nail stuff that much in our walls, but... Okay. Let's try to just do this. Jugard. Bruh, I did not even push it in. I thought I did. But I pushed in the like little stick thingy that's coming out at the end. Good Jugard, I guess you could press. How the frick am I supposed to do this part? Why do you need a hammer for this? I'm checking out. Okay. Does something need to come out? It's just supposed to go in. Wow. Why am I not asking my parents for help? My mom has work today. She's at home, but she has work. And she's actually putting Kian for a nap right now. And my dad, he is somewhere in downtown working. आज तक अगर मैंने इतना किसी चीज़ को ऐसे करके पीसा होता ताकि कुछ अंदर चला जाए ना, अगर ओखली में डाल के पीसा होता है ना, तो काजू बादाम अगर ओखली में डाल के पीसा होता है ना, तो आज अच्छी ठंडाई मिलती अभी पीने के लिए. क्या है? हाँ मैं कहाँ से लाऊँ मैं? मुझे तो नहीं पता. She said, good job, honey. Do you know what I have to do? The little kid on this box right there. Right there. You see his mom right here, like mom or dad or parent, whoever. Now I find out who this kid's mom is so that she can come help me. I need a little ice cream break. It's pistachio almond flavor. And after searching a lot, I found this hammer. And mind you, I searched without my mom's help, so yeah. I'm eating some Amras, and my entire family's eating like moody and then like mixture and stuff, but I don't like it. And my mom's drinking coffee, my dad's drinking chai, so yeah. Me, Amras time. My mom said that she's gonna make some for me later, so let's see if she does. But Kiana still isn't awake. But guess what? I'm back home. So we're gonna turn on the AC because my mom apparently turned it off for a little bit because it got literally to 64 in our house. That is kind of cold, you guys. But now it's back up to like, I don't know, It's 8:30. Sorry, I was on TikTok. I'm always on TikTok. Residue. Downstairs it's 78. Gosh, how are my parents even living in this house? Well, my mom, I guess. Okay, all good. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go back down in about the next 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, I'm really hot now. I need low-key a reset, but I cannot wash my hair. Yes, I was trying to make this video into like a just like strictly stick to the point of like me trying to make Kian's bike, but we're here anyways. Let's just do like a evening routine too in here. But yeah, so I'm really like feeling hot. I need to put on some deodorant right now. I got this new Dove one. I usually get the native one all the time. Like I've never tried any other brands, but this time I tried the Dove one and it's sandalwood. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it on later, but first let's go take a shower actually. But I feel gross with my hair too, but like I'm trying to train my hair into thinking that it's not gonna get washed for the next few days, and yeah, you know that. So I'm just gonna start. Today's Tuesday, I have till Friday to go before it's gonna be trained, and then I have to train it again for another week. I can't even find a hair tie. Why am I looking for a hair tie? I'm keeping my hair up in a bun. So I'm gonna hop in the shower.